Nong elam ba pau bha jong ka Congress but MLA ka nong thumai uba Charles Pingrop ulapan pau ya ka Jingbynniaw Halor ka Jingshimra jong sarkar banthau no da ka shopping complex ne ka jaka long yo ha Pwd Barik. Uni unong mi khmat ka nong thumai ubodan ka Jingbynniaw ya ka memariang ulong ba ka sarkar ha ka jaka banthau ya ki jaka yo no shopping complex klari ban perkhat banthau sabon tili ki pak haringkat ka thung bon thanrai ki dieng ban penne pansa su ya ka memariang.
When the newspaper, the item was brought in the newspaper, that the government's intention was to create a shopping mall in the land of at Barik Point, PWD campus. Well, I think that was not given much of a thought. See, today there are two things. We must realize that with global warming, our cities are getting hotter. Therefore, we should concentrate or put in our efforts to counter the global warming. And one of the ways which has been proven worldwide is by increasing our forest cover. Now, in my opinion, it would have been much better for the government to consider creation of a park like they have in major cities around the world, where you create the lungs of the city, so that not only you reduce carbon dioxide emissions, but you also create a atmosphere where people can walk around, enjoy the flora and fauna, and at the same time provide sunshade cover in the middle of the city. So that somehow has been overlooked. Number two, shopping malls. I tell you, if you go to any city of India or abroad, most of the malls are now closing down. Do you know why? Because everybody is going on to online purchasing through Amazon, through Alibaba, through Flipkart, through Snapdeal and all that. In fact, I have also utilized those services many a time. Therefore, the idea of building a shopping mall and creating more of a concrete jungle in the city, it should not happen at all. In fact, in the 2018 budget session, if you remember, it was recorded and it came out in some notable papers like the Shillong Times also, that I said that Shillong must not become like the Manhattan of the East. And we have that opportunity now to do so, to control that. Therefore, this should not be allowed. And the government should rethink its stand on this and create a park which will benefit generations to generations to come.
Uba Charles ulong ru balada ka sarkar ko ong ba ka Jingthau ya ka shopping complex ka aikam ka aijam but ula bu jing keliru ba hatu katanat IT sector, tourism, horticulture, agriculture but kiwe kimdei mo kibala banyarap aikam aijam ya kipat ba ka jela
IT, tourism, horticulture and agriculture. These are the sectors we should look at. And with that you can employ people. You can generate employment. Unfortunately, tourism has taken a hit. But it's a hit that will one day, be solved. The matter will be resolved once the vaccine comes out, and definitely the tourism industry will again go forward.